Hi guys, if you happen to just be browsing and you run into my voice, this is Fergie. Welcome to Fergie's Kitchen. Please like and subscribe. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make an impossible burger. So this is a plant-based burger patties that I'll be making. A sandwich using my whole grain and seeds. You see all that nutritious multi-grain with my mustard, avocado, veganese, tomato, and buttercup lettuce. So that's my ingredients for today. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, with my skillet nice and hot, I'm gonna put my burger in. I'm gonna cook this on each side for like 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, FK gang, here is my impossible burger patties made from plants. Alright, here's my plant-based burger. And guys, this is 19 grams of protein, no animal hormones, and 0 cholesterol in this burger. So I just had a little something, my veganese. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy my impossible burger patty. Please remember that Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.